I'm Randy, partner engineer on the Messenger platform. I'm here today with Swapnil, software engineer on Messenger.
Hi, I'm Swapnil. Great to be here with you all at F8 Refresh.
Today, we are going to share with you how you can build great experiences on Messenger API for Instagram. Messenger API for Instagram, or in short, Instagram messaging, is an extension of the current Messenger API on Instagram DMs. This will allow you to easily extend your Messenger use cases into Instagram businesses too.
We have extensive developer documentation to help you get started on Instagram messaging. But if you're an experienced Messenger developer, you'll find that many of the concepts and features are very similar to Messenger.
First, I will talk about building blocks, the foundation of your Instagram messaging experiences. Then, I will go into various features that you can leverage to create a strong in-thread conversational flow.
I'll then discuss multi-app flows where you can leverage multiple apps to power the messaging experience for your business on Instagram. And finally, I'll share various ways on how to effectively use this channel.
We get it. It can be challenging to build an experience that is engaging, usable, and conversational all at the same time. Trust me, it is possible, and I'm here to share some basic building blocks to help you with it. Today, we will focus on the following 3 building blocks: Send API, Webhooks, and Conversation API. To illustrate this, we are going to use the sample e-commerce store experience and show how this business is using these building blocks to create a delightful experience for its audience. When I start the conversation with the business, I am greeted with a welcome message and an image relevant to my inquiry. This is powered by the Send API, which provides you the option to send various types of messages: basic text, images, videos, etc. The business can also reply with quick replies, which is a set of predefined buttons that users can actually click. This will streamline the conversation flow and encourage a response. Whenever I send a message to the business, a webhook is sent to notify the app's backend that powers the experience so that a response can be crafted. We support various kinds of webhook, and you can choose which one you want to subscribe to depending on the use cases that you are building. This is an example of the webhook that you will receive whenever a message is being sent by a user. The unique identifier of a user is called IGSID, or Instagram Scope User ID. Instagram Scope User ID concept is similar to PSID, but instead of tying it to a page, IGSID is a unique hash between an Instagram user and an Instagram business account. This will allow Instagram businesses to switch between apps or developers that powers the experience, but still maintain a consistent thread or conversation history. The next building block is Conversation API. This API can be used to sync the initial messages when the IG account is first connected on your platform. Conversation API has 3 main APIs: thread list, thread, and message, which in combination allows you to fully recreate the inbox on your system. We recommend that you leverage webhooks to process incoming messages instead of heavy reliance on Conversation API to improve latency and avoid rate limit. So, you have all these building blocks, but how do you differentiate your experience, delight your customers, and reach your business goals? You can do this by creating a strong in-thread conversational flows. Icebreakers provide a way for users to start a conversation with a list of frequently asked questions. A maximum of 4 questions can be set via the Icebreaker API. When the user clicks on the icebreaker, you will get a prospect webhook, upon which you can reply with a personalized response leveraging the User Profile API. User Profile API supports name and profile picture field. After providing my response, the business can respond with a carousel of recommendations. The carousel is powered by a generic template, which provides visual structure and helps people navigate the experience and know which action they can take. We also provide a specialized template for sending products. Product template allows you to send product from Facebook product catalog, which means you can send a nice visual structured response just by providing the product ID only, instead of the full product details like generic template. Now, I'll pass it over to Swapnil to discuss about multi-app flows.
Thanks, Randy. That was some great information on the building blocks. Now, let's dive a little deeper. Let's talk about how to make your Instagram messaging experience more powerful and seamless. People may turn to your business on Instagram for many reasons that may require a combination of automated and human responses. This is where handover protocol can help. You can use HOP APIs to build an experience which is in the background powered by multiple different developers with different strengths. This example here shows the business using a combination of automation and live agents for their messaging experience. Without handover protocol, the bot and live chat providers would often respond out of turn or at the same time, providing a clunky experience for customers and a headache for the business. Handover protocol solves this by routing control of the conversation from one provider to another seamlessly. On the business side, you're not restricted to use HOP between different developers only. If you're already using the IG app to provide live agent support, you can consider bringing an automation developer to automate FAQs and continue using IG app for live agent support using HOP. In summary, use the power of automation together with the strength of live agents to help you get business outcomes at scale. Now let's dive a little deeper into some top different ways users can reach out to your business and how you can use them to delight your users. The biggest entry point today is this message button from IG profile. You can share your profile link with users as well to further help them reach your business on a platform that they already use. Lots of users comment on business posts every day for inquiry and support use cases. You can turn these inquiries into business outcomes by using private reply, taking those public comments into a private conversation to address user needs. Stories are big on Instagram. 89% of active Instagram users surveyed use stories weekly. Businesses today already post stories as a way to build awareness and interest into their products and services. In fact, 33% of most viewed stories come from businesses, and about 1 in 5 organic stories get a message. Instagram messaging APIs can help you convert these inquiries into business outcomes. Similarly, users today mention businesses on their own IG stories, showing brand love or for their support needs. You can use the IG messaging APIs to delight your users who are using story mentions to reach out to your business. We have platform policies that are designed to help people and businesses connect effectively through messaging to achieve meaningful outcomes. Be sure to check out our platform policies and rate limits as you design your business experience.
Let me summarize what we have gone through so far. We started with the building blocks, went on to icebreakers and rich templates for creating a strong in-chat conversational experiences.
We also touched upon handover protocol to build hybrid experiences that scale and entry points to further grow your business via messaging on IG. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of F8 Refresh.
Thank you for taking this time to learn about the Instagram messaging APIs. We can't wait to see all the awesome experiences we can build together. Here are some of the resources to get started right away.